Getting a star named after somebody for a gift is a great idea. There are many websites out there that do that. What you want to look for when you're getting this gift is, what does the website offer? Are they going to give you a picture of the star? Are they going to give you a certificate that's in a frame? Again, what you're really looking for is, what kind of material are they going to send you? The more material they send you, the better. Their pricing options are based on how bright the star is. If the star is really bright, then you'll have to pay more. Paying a bit more for a brighter star is actually a really good idea. It'll allow you to be able to see the star at nighttime in a very dark area. It'll also make it much easier to see the star if you're looking through a telescope. Just a bit of a warning though, you're not officially naming the star. The International Astronomical Union is actually a group of people that officially name the stars. What you're doing is unofficially naming a star, but it's still a really great idea. If you're looking for which website to go to actually buy a star, I can't really tell you which one. What I would do is just search naming a star in a Google search engine, look at the top 3, and go through their pricing options and see what they're actually going to give you. Based off those 3, I'm sure you'll decide which one's giving the most material for the best price.